Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm wearing hair from Yiroo Hair. It's a online based website and I'm wearing a 360 frontal in the length 20 and I'm wearing only two bundles of 20 and 26.
So I'm just going to show you guys basically how I bleach and create my 360 wig. What I like to do first is I like to go ahead and go with the freeze spray by Got To Be Glue, and I'm just going to be covering the front of the hair with that just in case bleach seeps through or bleach gets on it. I don't want the hair to be brown or blonde patchy marks, so that's why I put that little freeze tag spray. It's kind of like a sheet. So I did wash the hair out with some shimmer lights and conditioned it. So right now I'm just using this cap. It's a dome cap. I use either the women's cap or I use the men cap, but I don't like the net one. I usually like them to be closed and solid. So now you're going to just see me putting the 360 frontal onto the net, and I'm going to be positioning it. Your hairline should be at least 2 inches above, 2 inches above the dome cap, and yeah. I'm just sewing the frontal down to the dome cap, and now I'm taking my scissors and I'm just cutting off that extra cap space that we don't need and won't be using at all. And now I'm going to be taking my scissors and I'm just going to be cutting the extra lace that's on there, and I'm going to be going in and starting to sew on my tracks to the hair. I'm not going to go too much in details on how to sew the tracks. You'll see a good view of how I do it, but I'm just going to keep doing that and keep going across, and as I get higher, it's going to be kind of going into like a upside down M position is what I'll be doing. So I'm going to be running my fingers through and putting that in the hair, and then I'm going to be piece by piece flat ironing my hair with my flat iron brush. And if you guys are interested in this brush, I'm not sure what the name is, but I found mine on Amazon, so I'm pretty sure if you type in Amazon flat iron brush, you might just find it. It was only about $11. So yeah, y'all, I am looking raggedy in the corner.